So after watching about 100 million videos about how to make your footage look cinematic, are you still trying to figure out how to make your footage look cinematic? Well, hopefully today I have the video for you. Today we're talking filters, guys. Specifically, a new filter that I just bought. It's called the Cinebloom by Moment, and I want to tell you guys a little bit about the filters and how they can make your footage go from bland to grand real fast. So what I really like about this filter so far, now that I've been using it for about a week or two now, so these Cinebloom filters, right now they come in 3 different modes, kind of. You have a 5%, a 10%, and a 20%. If you look right now, like before, this is kind of what it looks like, and now, or kind of like softens the look, and that's what we're trying to look for when we're looking at cinematic footage. A lot of the times with these new digital cameras and these mirrorless bodies, there's a lot of like digital sharpening happening, and then we have to go back in post and kind of like soften it up, but it just doesn't look as good as it would be straight out of the camera. Another thing that I really like about the filters is that they're stackable, which is really nice. So if you have a 5% and a 10%, you can stack them together to make a 15%. You could put two 20% and make a 40%. Next, I want to talk to you guys about why filters are important. They are very important, not just these Cinebloom ones, but just filters in general. They act as protection to your front element of your lens. If you accidentally drop your lens, you don't want that front element smashing into the ground. You want to have a filter in front of it, so that way the filter hits the ground, and if it does end up breaking, hopefully your actual lens will be spared. And that way you're only losing, you know, maybe a $50 or $100 filter versus a $2,000, $3,000 lens. So what actually makes this filter stand out from other filters in its class? Well, I actually have the Peter McKinnon variable ND right here. And as you can see, this has like a nice little gold ring around it, which is really cool. A lot of filters they're just black. They're just, you know, kind of basic. There's not any color to them to kind of separate them from other filters. But what I really like about the Moment Cineblooms is they have a red ring. So like this one has a gold ring. The Moment filter has a red ring, which is interesting. In my eyes, I gravitate towards cinema when I see red. It comes in this really cool case. The case is mainly made of plastic, but inside you have a little microfiber cloth, a little housing for the filter to sit into, and it's just a really, really nice package. I really like what Moment did with this. So one filter that would be a little bit similar to this one would be like the Black Pro Mist. I haven't used those. I don't have one, so I can't really test it or compare it for you guys, but it does a similar effect, but it's a way more expensive filter. I believe the Black Pro Mist, if I'm correct, they're over $100. They're an expensive filter. And with the holiday season coming up, guys, I know we're running out of time to do our Christmas shopping, but if you guys are like me, I go last freaking minute. So Moment is not sponsoring this video, but it'd be really cool if they did. But I really want you guys to go check out their website. They make a lot of other products as well, not just filters. Go get your holiday shopping in. This would be a great gift if you guys have a filmmaker or a photographer or somebody that's a camera enthusiast in your family, or a friend, or anybody you want to buy for under $100. You know, and it's a great option. That is the Moment Cineblooms. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something new. I hope you have a new holiday gift idea for somebody, or you know, you maybe go out and get this filter yourself if you want to kind of explore a new realm of filmmaking and just making, you know, cool content. Mess around with it. I would definitely recommend this filter for like music videos or for like short films, horror films. This filter shines at nighttime. It really makes all of the lights like really bloom, like headlights, street lights. It looks really cool. It's a really cool effect, almost like a steampunk kind of look. So if you're going for that, this would be the filter for you. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for taking the time to hang out with me today. Make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to try to make some more videos because I like this angle. This angle's pretty good. I don't know. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to go finish my coffee, start editing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.